Hey everybody, I'm Luke LaPrairie. I'm a broadcast engineer in New York, and you're listening to me on one of Shure's new SLXD portable digital wireless systems. Shure is a company trusted in the audio industry for the reliable microphones and wireless systems used in any sized venue or setup. So right now, you're hearing me on the SLXD15 system with the UL4B microphone. It's great for field production, location sound, whether we're talking about short films, documentaries, weddings, live streams, you're out and about, you want to get a lav mic on your talent in a really noisy environment, this system is great for that. We'll talk through some of the features on this system, and later we'll talk about the SLXD15 system, which is a plug-on transmitter. If you need to use a handheld mic or you already have an XLR microphone you want to use, that system is great for you. Okay, so first let's talk about some overall features. Both of these systems feature transparent 24-bit digital audio, extended 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range, 118 decibels of dynamic range, and digital predictive switching diversity, meaning the receiver monitors the signal coming into the antennas, and if it detects a dropout may occur, it'll switch to the other antenna before the dropout even happens. They both feature 44 MHz tuning bandwidth and 32 available channels per frequency band depending on your region. So first, let's talk about the SLXD5 receiver. This receiver features efficient, long-range UHF transmission and easy-to-use setup features. You can also scan and deploy frequencies to a compatible SLXD wireless transmitter with IR sync, or coordinate and monitor large channel configurations with many sources using multi-mic mode. There's also a headphone jack built directly into the receiver for monitoring your audio directly. For mounting options, you have a standard clip on the back as well as a cold shoe adapter for mounting to your camera. And whether you have an XLR or 3.5mm audio jack on your camera, this comes with adapter cables that will work with either. Also, the antennas on the receiver can pivot to allow you to move them into the ideal position for the wireless connection. This system includes a pair of AA batteries and a zippered carrying pouch, so you can use it right out of the box. The SLXD1 transmitter delivers rock-solid RF performance with easy setup and rechargeability options. When using the optional SB903 rechargeable batteries, you can place the transmitter directly into a Shure charging dock, so it will always be ready to go. It also displays battery life in hours and minutes when used with the SB903 batteries. The transmitter features a TA4F microphone connector, otherwise known as a 4-pin mini XLR, which supports a wide variety of microphone options. And the last piece in this system is the Shure UL4B microphone. It is a dynamic cardioid lavalier microphone with signal characteristics ideal for stage applications or other loud environments. The cardioid pickup pattern provides adequate rejection of off-axis ambient signal that can cause noise and feedback. The hardwired 4-foot cable connects with a 4-pin TA4F connector, which is compatible with Shure wireless transmitters, and also comes with a windscreen to reduce noise when used outdoors. You can have the choice of a DL4 omnidirectional or UL4 cardioid condenser microphone if you're looking for something smaller or with a different pickup pattern as well. Now onto the second system, the SLXD15. This includes the SLXD3 plug-on transmitter, as well as the same SLXD5 receiver we talked about earlier. This is a plug-on digital wireless transmitter that converts any XLR source, including dynamic and condenser microphones that require phantom power, for use as an SLXD wireless transmitter. Right now, you're listening to me on the legendary SM58 microphone, now made wireless using the SLXD3 transmitter. It features a patented locking ring for a secure wobble-free connection that sends 24-bit digital audio from any XLR source to an SLXD4 or SLXD5 digital wireless receiver. Just like the SLXD1, the D3 supports IR sync with the receiver as well as the ability to use the SB903 rechargeable batteries. For more info on the SLXD digital wireless systems from Shure, click on one of the links below. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Adorama TV for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.